Online gaming. 10 profitable strategies to transform your gaming hobby into a successful business. With the gaming industry booming, there are endless opportunities for gamers to monetize their skills and knowledge. Whether you're a pro player, a content creator, or a game developer, these strategies can help you level up your income. 1. Game streaming. Platforms like Twitch have opened up new avenues for gamers to showcase their skills and entertain audiences worldwide. Stream your gameplay, engage with viewers, and earn money through subscriptions, donations, and ads. Consistent streaming and engaging content can turn your passion into a profitable venture. 2. Esports competitions. If you're skilled at a particular game, consider entering esports tournaments. Prize pools in esports competitions can be substantial, offering significant earnings for top players. Whether it's first-person shooters, strategy games, or sports simulations, esports tournaments are a lucrative avenue for competitive gamers. 3. Content creation. Create gaming content on YouTube and social media platforms. Share gameplay highlights, walkthroughs, reviews, and gaming tips. Engage with your audience and monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. High-quality, entertaining content can attract a large following and generate revenue. 4. Game testing. Game developers need testers to identify bugs, glitches, and improvements in their games. Become a game tester or quality assurance specialist. Test unreleased games, provide feedback, and ensure the game's quality. Game testing is not only fun but can be a paid opportunity in the gaming industry. 5. Game development. If you have programming and design skills, consider developing your own games. Indie game developers can publish their creations on platforms like Steam or mobile app stores. Revenue can come from game sales, in-game purchases, or crowdfunding campaigns. Creating a hit game can lead to substantial earnings. 6. Gaming tutorials and coaching. Share your expertise by offering gaming tutorials and coaching services. Help others improve their skills, strategies, and gameplay. Platforms like Gamer Sensei connect skilled gamers with those looking to improve, offering coaching opportunities and monetary rewards for experienced players. 7. Game modding. Modifying games to enhance or customize gameplay can be a profitable venture. Create game mods, skins, or custom levels that players can purchase or download. Modding communities often support creators through donations or crowdfunding for their innovative mods. 8. Merchandise and streaming gear. If you have a dedicated fanbase, consider creating and selling gaming merchandise. T-shirts, mousepads, posters, and other items can be branded with your gaming logo or catchphrases. Additionally, review and promote gaming peripherals and equipment through affiliate marketing for a commission. 9. Game reviews and affiliate marketing. Start a gaming review blog or YouTube channel. Review games, gaming accessories, and related products. Join affiliate marketing programs to earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Honest, detailed reviews can attract a loyal audience and generate revenue. 10. Live streaming events. Organize gaming events and challenges. Live stream marathon gaming sessions, speedruns, or multiplayer tournaments. Engage your audience with interactive challenges and reward viewers with prizes or special shoutouts. Live stream events not only entertain but can also attract sponsorships and donations from viewers. The gaming industry offers a multitude of opportunities for gamers to turn their passion into a profession. Whether you're streaming, competing, creating content, or developing games, the possibilities are endless. Podcasting. 10 effective methods to turn your love of music into a profitable business. With podcasts becoming increasingly popular, there are numerous opportunities to monetize your content and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned podcaster or just starting out, these strategies can help you transform your podcasting hobby into a thriving business. 1. Sponsorship and advertising. Partner with businesses relevant to your podcast's niche. Offer sponsored episodes or ad slots to advertisers. The more listeners you have, the more you can charge for these slots. Advertisers are always looking for engaged audiences to promote their products or services. 2. Listener donations and crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon and Kickstarter allow your loyal listeners to support your podcast financially. Offer exclusive content or perks for your patrons. Crowdfunding campaigns can provide a steady income stream while keeping your audience engaged and invested in your podcast. 3. Membership and subscription models. Create a membership program where subscribers pay a monthly fee for premium content, early access, or ad-free episodes. Platforms like Supercast or Glow can help you set up subscription-based services, providing a stable income from dedicated listeners. 4. Live shows and events. Host live podcast recordings or events. Sell tickets to live shows, offer VIP experiences, or merchandise during these events. Live shows not only generate revenue but also strengthen your connection with your audience, creating a sense of community around your podcast. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services relevant to your podcast's theme through affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your show notes or on your website. Earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Authentic recommendations can lead to significant affiliate earnings. 6. Podcasting workshops and consultations. Share your expertise by offering podcasting workshops, courses, or one-on-one consultations. Many aspiring podcasters are willing to invest in learning from experienced professionals. Your knowledge can become a valuable income source. 7. Merchandise and branded products. Create branded merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or stickers featuring your podcast logo or catchphrases. Sell these items to your listeners. Merchandise not only brings in revenue but also serves as a form of promotion, increasing your podcast's visibility. 8. Licensing and syndication. License your podcast content to other platforms, networks, or radio stations. Syndicating your content can generate income through licensing deals. Ensure your content reaches a broader audience while earning royalties from these arrangements. 9. Product creation. Develop products related to your podcast's theme. This could be books, courses, or physical products. Your podcast serves as a platform to promote and sell these products. Your audience, already interested in your niche, is likely to support your creations. 10. Crowdsourcing and listener engagement. Involve your audience in the content creation process. Conduct listener polls, Q&A sessions, or exclusive interviews based on their suggestions. Engaging your audience not only strengthens your community but can also lead to financial support through crowdfunding campaigns or increased sponsorship opportunities. The key lies in building a dedicated audience and finding creative ways to provide value to your listeners. Write eBooks. Here are 10 viable ways to get money from your love of writing. With the rise of digital publishing, there's never been a better time to share your stories, knowledge, and expertise. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, these strategies can help you monetize your wordsmithing skills. 1. Self-publishing on Amazon Kindle. Publish your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Write fiction, non-fiction, guides, or manuals. With a vast user base, Amazon Kindle allows you to reach a global audience and earn royalties for every sale made. 2. Writing ebooks for niche markets. Identify niche topics or genres that have a dedicated audience. Write ebooks catering to these specific interests. Niche ebooks often have less competition and can attract a highly engaged readership willing to pay a premium for specialized content. 3. Creating ebook series. Develop a series of ebooks around a central theme or character. Hook your readers with the first book and keep them engaged through subsequent releases. Series create anticipation and can lead to consistent sales as readers invest in the entire collection. 4. Ghostwriting ebooks. Offer ghostwriting services to individuals or businesses looking to publish ebooks. Many people have great ideas but lack the time or writing skills to bring them to life. Ghostwriting allows you to write for others and get paid for your literary expertise. 5. Writing ebooks for online courses. Collaborate with online educators or platforms to create ebooks as supplementary materials for courses. Educational ebooks, workbooks, or study guides can enhance the learning experience and provide a steady stream of income. 6. Crowdsourcing and pre-selling ebooks. Use crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter to pre-sell your ebook ideas. Offer exclusive rewards or limited editions to backers. Crowdsourcing not only provides funding but also validates your ebook concept before you invest significant time and effort. 7. Audiobook and print book adaptations. Convert your ebooks into audiobooks or print-on-demand paperbacks. Audiobooks cater to auditory learners, while print editions appeal to readers who prefer physical copies. Multiple formats can broaden your audience and revenue streams. 8. Ebook translation services. Translate your ebooks into different languages or offer translation services to authors. Translated ebooks can reach international markets, expanding your readership and increasing your ebook sales and royalties. 9. Ebook writing workshops and courses. Share your expertise by conducting ebook writing workshops or online courses. Teach aspiring writers the art of ebook creation. Many individuals are willing to invest in learning how to write and publish ebooks, making teaching a profitable venture. 10. Ebook consulting and editing services. Offer consulting and editing services to authors who want to self-publish ebooks. Provide guidance on plot development, editing, cover design, and marketing strategies. Your expertise can help authors produce high-quality ebooks, and your services can be charged on an hourly or project basis. Remember, the key to successful ebook publishing is not just writing a great book, but also effective marketing and engaging with your audience.